Hello, this is David Koff, the BMW Genius at Kendall BMW in Bend, Oregon. Today I want to demonstrate for you an often overlooked feature that can actually be very convenient, and it is the hands-free tailgate or trunk feature. So obviously if hands full, come out of the grocery store with some bags, or here we have some luggage like I came from the airport, and I don't want to put my bags down on a slushy ground or put them down at all. So the requirement is that you have the key on your possession, and that's it. And then just a kick there and back. And we can also close it with a kick there and back. And notice I'm not holding my foot there and waving it. I'm doing a kick under and back motion. Now we're going to go into the car's BMW iDrive, the system, and show you how to program the tailgate height. To access the settings for the tailgate, we're going to go into Car, into Settings, then Doors and Vehicle Access. That's where we have Tailgate. Touch Tailgate. We have the height. I can change the opening height, the maximum height of the tailgate, just like that. I can also disable the foot movement to open or close the door, but of course we probably want to leave that enabled. But if you did want to disable either one of those, you may do that here. So just to recap, in order for the kick feature to operate, the key just needs to be on the person who's standing back here, and it is a kick under and retract your foot, not a kick and wave, just as shown in my video. Additionally, we can program the height that the tailgate opens to inside the vehicle. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, this is David. Contact me at Kendall BMW.
Kendall, let's start something great.